Hello students. Now we start at the point where we left yesterday. Yesterday we were taking the number conversion, means from one base number to the another base number. Now keep in mind the value of the number will not be the change, right? The two conversion was left, hexadecimal number to the binary number, and from under reverse from binary number to the hexadecimal number. Now we take binary number to the hexadecimal number. Now binary number means base 2, means the digit will be either the 0 or the 1, not any other digit, right? And in hexadecimal number, base is the 16. It is from the 0 to 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after the 10, A, 11, B, 12, C, 15, F. So, if you are converting a binary number to the hexadecimal number, the minimum bit which require to store a hexadecimal number digit is 4 bit. Why? The hexadecimal number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 can say A, B, C, D, E and F. This F means the 15. So to store the value 15, the value in 15 को अगर आप बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करें, it is 1 1 1 1. So इसके बीच का कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. तो जो सबसे बड़ा मतलब मिनिमम रिक्वायर्ड 4 बिट चाहिए कम से कम, ताकि आप किसी भी हेक्साडेसिमल डिजिट को स्टोर कर सके. आपने अगर 3 ली तो आप 7 के बाद वाले नंबर कैसे स्टोर करेंगे? नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो हमें इतने नंबर चाहिए कि हम किसी भी हेक्साडेसिमल डिजिट को स्टोर कर सके, कोई भी हो, चाहे वो ए हो, चाहे वो बी हो, चाहे वो एफ हो, चाहे 5 एनीवन. तो हमें कम से कम इतनी बिट लेनी पड़ेगी कि ना कि कोई भी हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर हम स्टोर कर सके. तो वो कम से कम बिट 4 बिट है. 15 जो आपको 15 स्टोर करना है तो 1 1 1 चाहिए. 0 is the 0 0 0 0. All bit contain 0. 0 0 0 1. 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 double 0. 1. इतना तक तो आपका कल वाला ही है. मैंने सिर्फ एक 0 ऐड किए हैं, तो 0 ऐड करने पे वैल्यू नहीं चेंज होती. ये आपका 0 से लेके 7 तक का वही ऑक्टल नंबर है. इसकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मैंने केवल 0 ऐड किया है, तो नंबर वही है. मीन्स 0 to 7 the binary number is the same. I had just added a 0, then only 10. 8 is the 1 0 0 0. 9. A means 10. B means 11. C means 12. D means 13. E means 14. And F means the 15. 0 to लेके 15. The equivalent binary digit is this. Now start. Take a big binary number. 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. A big binary number. You can easily convert in just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. You can easily convert a big binary number to the hexadecimal number. Now start. It is a binary number. You can more 1 0. Okay, a binary number. Now you have to convert this binary number to the hexadecimal number. Now start from the from right to left, least significant bit. Make a pair of 4 bit. This is the first pair, second pair, third pair. In a fourth pair there is 1 bit less. So include a 0 here and take the 4 bit pair. Now there are 4 pairs. 4 bit के 4 pairs बने. अब हर पेयर को उसके इक्विवेलेंट हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर में कन्वर्ट कीजिए. 1010. This is 1010 means A. 1110. 1110 that is E. Basically it is the 10 and it is 12. No, 14. It's a 14. It's a 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So it is 13. So E, or you can write like this. It is the 10. It is the 14, 101, 5 and 7. Now convert this 14 and 10 to a single digit. That is 14 is equivalent to E and 10 is equivalent to A. 5 as it is, 7 as it is. This is a hexadecimal number of this binary number. ये इस बाइनरी नंबर का इक्विवेलेंट हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है. दैट इज टू इजी. इट्स अ वेरी बिग बाइनरी नंबर and you just convert in just 2 minutes. If you can convert from 0 to 16 to the binary, you can easily convert that 2 big binary number in just seconds in a hexadecimal number. Now hexadecimal number to the binary number. Hexadecimal number, the base is the 16 and the binary number base is the 2. Here I am writing the hexadecimal number and equivalent binary number. Take a big hexadecimal number, taking A1, B, 5, D. A big hexadecimal number. Now convert that hexadecimal number to the binary number. Take binary equivalent of each digit. A means 10. 10 means 1010. 1 means 0. 4 bit equivalent binary number में convert करना है. This is also 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. This is also 1 and this is also 1. So you have to convert the hexadecimal number to a equivalent 4 bit binary number. So you need not to write 1 only. You have to write 0001, 4 bit equivalent binary number, that is 0001. B means 11, that is 1011. 5 means 101, 4 bit equivalent, put a 0 here, means 0101. And D means 13, it is 1101, 1101. Combine all, this is equivalent binary number of this hexadecimal number. Too easy. A hexadecimal number which digit can contain any number. Take the digit, convert 4 bit equivalent binary number and then combine all. You have, आपको मिल जाएगा आपके इक्विवेलेंट इस हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर के इक्विवेलेंट बाइनरी नंबर. Now the conversion is the completed one. Now start the calculation in the binary number. Now, binary addition. Now I am again saying one thing. Number, you can represent the number in any base, but the value should not be changed. Means, if a number value means not the digit, value means the value. Means अगर कोई नंबर डेसिमल में 15 है, उसको आपने किसी भी दूसरे नंबर में कन्वर्ट किया, तो जब वापस आए तो आपको 15 मिलना चाहिए. सेम एडिशन 1. आपका नंबर कोई भी हो, डेसिमल में अगर आप ऐड कर रहे हैं तो जो वैल्यू दो नंबर को जोड़ने पे मिले, बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करके भी अगर आप उन्हीं दोनों नंबर को जोड़ रहे हैं तो वही वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए. वैल्यू विल नॉट बी चेंज इफ यू आर चेंजिंग द बेस. वैल्यू के साथ छेड़छाड़ नहीं होती. डिजिट बदल जाते हैं, एक ही चीज को आप दूसरे फॉर्मेट में दिखा रहे हो लेकिन चीज वही रहेगी. राइट. Now, I am taking first a decimal number. Okay. Some small number. And just like we are adding 15 plus 21. What will be the answer? 63. Now, binary addition. Binary addition means we are converting this number to the binary number. क्या था? 21 is equal to 36. We will take, when we take the example, first of all, what is the binary number? How can you do the binary number? Then we will take this example. First decimal में तो आपने कर ही रखा है. बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, इस नंबर को भी, इस नंबर को भी, then add up, then we will find the same number in the binary. Okay. Binary addition. Binary addition means base 2. Means digit is either the 0 or the 1. Means you are adding the 2 digit. Digit 1, or can say number 1 and number 2. Okay, digit 1, not number. Digit 1 and digit 2. Sum and carry. If both the number are 0, no sum, no carry. If one is the 0, if one digit is 1, another is 0, the sum is 1 and 0 is the carry. If both are 1, then sum is 0 and 1 is carry. Here no problem. 0 में से 0 गया, sum is 0 and no carry. 1 में से 0 गया, sorry, adding up. 0 plus 0 is the 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is the 1 and 0 plus 1 is the 1. But what about this? 1 plus 1, the summation is the 0 and the carry is the 1. How it is possible? It is possible like this. 1 plus 1. It is 2. Sum is the 0 and carry is the forward. Just like this. Summation is the 0 and forwarded 1 carry to right hand side. Now if it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, the summation is 1 and carry is 1. Right? Now we take the example. Same. First 15. 15 in decimal number, it is the 15. In binary number, it is 1111. If you have any doubt, then convert it to the binary by your own. It is 1111 means the 15. Take the hexadecimal number example. The 15 hexadecimal number equivalent to 1111. Now 21. Sorry, it's in a decimal, not hexa. It's a decimal number 15 base 10 converted to the binary, that is 1111. 21 in the decimal. Binary में क्या आएगा? It is let's convert. 10 times गया 1 remainder, 5 times गया 0 remainder, 2 times गया 1 remainder, 1 times गया 1 remainder, 0 times गया 1 remainder, 11101. It is 11101 from year to year. Base 2. Now sum. दोनों का sum करते हैं. ठीक है. 1111 and 10111. Put a 0 here. So equivalent. If you are not putting a 0, assume it's a 0. So better thing, put a 0 here. Add up. Now start. 1 plus 1. Summation is the 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1. Summation is the 0 and 1 carry. 111. Summation is the 1 and 1 carry. 111. Summation is the 1 and 1 carry. 1 summation is the 0 and 1 carry. This is the result of 15 and 21 in binary. That is 15 in binary, 21 in the binary. We add the sum up and the result is this one. And it should be this. ये 36 होना चाहिए. अगर ये 36 नहीं है तो गलत है. हमारा समेशन गलत हुआ है. ठीक है. Now check. क्या ये 36 डेसिमल में है? अगर ये जो नंबर हमें मिला है, अगर ये 36 डेसिमल में है तो हमने समेशन एकदम सही किया है. अगर ये 36 हमें डेसिमल में नहीं मिलता तो हमारे समेशन में कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ी हुई है. नाउ अब बाइनरी को डेसिमल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? जस्ट समराइज. समेशन ऑफ द डिजिट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेस टू द पावर पोजीशन. फर्स्ट digit is a 1 position. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1 cross 2 to the power 5 plus 0 cross 2 to the power 4 plus 1 cross 2 की power 3 plus 1 cross 2 की power 2 plus 0 cross 2 की power 1 plus 0 cross 2 to the power 0. Now start. 1 cross 2 to the power 5. 2 power 1 is a 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 8 था 32. Plus 0 plus 1 cross 2 to the power 3. It's a 8. एट तो something wrong, no? 1 1 0 1 carry, 1 1 0 1 carry, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay. 32 0. It will be the 40. How can it become the 40? 21. Yeah, this should be the 0. 0. 2 10 times जाएगा 1 रिमाइंडर, 5 times जाएगा 0 रिमाइंडर, 0. 2 1 times जाएगा 0 रिमाइंडर. यस, दिस शुड बी द 0. अगेन देखा, हमारे इसमें हमें सेम नहीं मिल रहा था, मीन्स देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. वी हैव फाइंड आउट द प्रॉब्लम. 21 को अगर हम बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करें तो यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. कैसे? 2 को डिवाइड किया 10 टाइम्स क्वोशिएंट 1 रिमाइंडर, 10 को 5 से डिवाइड किया 5 टाइम्स किया 0 रिमाइंडर, अगेन डिवाइड किया 2 टाइम्स किया 1 रिमाइंडर, 2 को डिवाइड किया 1 टाइम्स किया 0 रिमाइंडर, एंड अगेन 1 को डिवाइड किया 0 गया 1 रिमाइंडर. 1 0 1 0 1. इट इज 1 0 1 0 1. That is 21. Then add up again. 1 1 0 1 reminder, 1 1 0 1 reminder, 1 1 1 is the 1 and 1 reminder, 1 1 is the 0 and 1 reminder, 1 1 is the 0 and 1 reminder. This is the 0. This and this. 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4, plus 0 plus 0, that is 32 plus 4, that is 36. Our answer. Right? Now take one more example of the binary addition, some small example. Take 5 plus 9, that is 14 in decimal. Now 5 in binary, that is 101. 9 in binary, that is 1001. Add up 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, that is 14. Equivalent binary number, that is 14. Means this is equivalent 5 के equivalent binary number this, 9 के equivalent binary number this, और summation 14 के equivalent binary number this. Means binary number में add, if you are adding 0 0, it returns 0 0 0 0, 0 sum and 0 carry, 1 0 1 sum and 0 carry, 0 1 1 sum and 0 carry, and 1 1 0 sum and 1 carry. इस बेस पर ऐड किया है. तो अगर हमारा मीन्स the value will not be the change. If you are changing, adding two number in the decimal, convert it to the binary, the summation will be the same. The summation value will not be the same. Okay? Okay. Thank you.